Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat Pdiang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Central Executive Council Jong ka United Democratic Party ka balalong haga arpulay trik ukalalangkot arajar arpo dagaway ka sur kala menjur ban Pdiang ya karay jong ka ying bishar Supreme Court ka balasyong bishar Halor ki Public Interest Litigation Pyrshah ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act arajar khat kandai balamudui daki kenhun baper nakalengari India naki jela jong ka thain chitay lamingi bat kuntupru nagane ka jela Meghalaya. Senior Vice President ke UDP Uba Bindo M. Lanong hagajing keren bat kilat patai kubor hadian balawai gajing lang ulaong baka United Democratic Party ka Kershan pura ya ka sur bala menjur daga ying dorbar thawan ke jela bandawa ya ka sorkar India bakan pentrekam ya ka airline permit hajala Meghalaya.
When we talk about this CAB or CAA, there is absolutely no rationality as far as the passage of this CAB, okay, when it was made into an act. But since the Parliament has passed that, let us see. In principle, we are opposing this, the CAA, but let us wait also for the wisdom of the Supreme Court to make its interpretation in this regard. I think that is also important. So when there is a hue and cry, protest is being made across the country, so we can understand that there's a lot of things happening here. So in principle, we are very much against, because we don't see any rationale here. But then let us also wait for the interpretation of the Supreme Court. We leave it to the wisdom of the Supreme Court to interpret as far as the CAA is concerned.
If the Congress are blind and deaf, then it's better not to hear them, because they know very well. Even the NPP has openly stated, gone to Delhi, went to Delhi and met the officials and the government in Delhi, expressing their views on this, that Meghalaya should be exempted, entire Meghalaya should be exempted. So if they would like to make a political overtone, we have nothing to say. That is their duty, because they are in the opposition. But I think they have to be true to the state of things going on, and talk straight without mincing words and politicizing the issue for political mileage or for political gain. I think is very unfortunate. Very unfortunate.
The government proposes is EILP, wherein the visitors will only need to register on their mobile phones, and they will be provided a QR code. So once they check into a hotel, they just show the QR code and they don't need to fill anything. No ID is required. So it becomes so flexible that you don't even need to go to any office to apply for the ILP.
Now, for the last 4 decades, 40 years, successive governments have come and gone. Successive governments have made efforts to bring about an effective mechanism in the state of Meghalaya. And suddenly now, after many years, we have woken up because of this issue of CAA and CAB, right? So we are awaiting the nod of the centre. And since this has been collectively decided by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, let us decide, let us be optimistic in that line. But if in case it does not come, we also have to think about other options. And if you also remember, the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act is also there, right? Although there are some technicalities as far as the implementation of MRSSA is concerned, as far as the ordinance is concerned. But I think we need to have that sincerity of commitment on the part of the government and on the part of all stakeholders to come up with certain mechanisms in the state of Meghalaya which will not infringe on the rights of others and which will not also attract the judiciary and other, things that will affect us. I think we are on the job. See, we are also looking for options. It's not that you don't get this, what are you going to do? Is that full stop? Is that an end to it? We have been battling with this issue now for the last 4 decades, and we will continue to pursue the matter in the best interest of the people and to meet the aspirations of the people. There is a long felt need of the people of the state of Meghalaya, and I think we will keep on pursuing. So what is to be done? We are not very sure what is going to happen. Let us not put a full stop there. Maybe the center will positively respond also to the demands of the people of the state and of the region. So let us see what will happen next. But we will continue in a pursuit to bring about an effective mechanism. See, one thing, when we talk about the strengthening of these institutions that we already have, that is also one aspect that we need to delve a little bit deeper and work out ways and means on how to bring about an effective mechanism. See, it does not end here.
Hagani ke jinyalang ke Central Executive Council Jong United Democratic Party kala munjur ya ke kerteng Jong MLA ke Ranikor constituency uba Pius Marweng ban aireng haga election MDC Shiteng Samoy ke ban Salong ha Langrin constituency haga Arpu Pratrik ubenai Rempang Arajar Arpo.
From the UDP Ranikor circle as well as from the 26 Langrin UDP constituency MDC circle, they had proposed a name to be fielded in this coming by-election. But this name that they had proposed, we thought that since we are together with the RDA in this, RDA is also a partner, no? HSPDP is also part of the RDA. We will, maybe in a day or two, we'll be sitting together with the HSPDP to discuss on the finalization of the candidate for the Langrin by-election. That is the decision that we have taken. It's come out now is Pius Marweng, sitting MLA. But we will also need to discuss this with the members of the HSPDP also, who are together in the RTA.
Is it only one name?
Only one name they have recommended. There are no other names.